Yeah, well, good morning. It's Jim Ryan here from Dom Distribution, and today we're on a property just out of Dalby called Glenesk, only a couple of K out on the Darling Downs here in Queensland. And we're actually proper opportunity here showcasing our K-Tec 1237 scraper. In front of our scraper, we've got, as you can see, the new Bell 45E. Great little combination here with this K-Tec and the 45. They do a great job. Here we're doing roughly about 1.1, 1.2 K down and back, so average both up to about 2.2 kilometre cycles. We're about 40 to 43 tonne of load with the 37. It's eating it up beautifully. Probably textbook conditions here for the K-Tec. This is where they really shine. This is where you actually save your money. They're taking advantage of the dry times and cleaning out the dams, building up new dams, building up new infrastructure all around through. He's got a pretty good budget, and the beauty about this budget is the K-Tec fitted in really well. We've done a few figures on a few other machines which pretty much blew the budget out of probably not even getting half this job done. And having this K-Tec 1237, it really ticked all the boxes, and pretty much he's been able to go to right onto his budget and pretty much have 98% of the job done. So that's one real big ticket item where the K-Tec really is kicking in with us, and we're pretty happy about that. Literally loading an average of 43 tonne of load right there now. So we're hauling about 420 tonne, about 420 tonne an hour. So just pretty impressive. Customers happy, so that's what we're happy. So this is a dry hide machine we've got, and young Hanus, he's doing a terrific job actually, getting a good, clean, smooth cut. You try and lift 40 tonne of dirt that high. We can. No, it's good. Derek and his whole team are very welcoming, and you know, this has done a very good job. And as we talked about it before, it's really stuck with his budget, and it's been good to be able to achieve and get the job very close to being done on budget and on time. And that's something that we're pretty proud of, and we really appreciate the opportunity of Derek here at Glenesk. And we're both achieving goals here and working together, and that's what we're all about here at Dom Distribution. And it's a one big family, and when the job's getting done right, everybody's happy. You know, it's a win-win situation. So if you'd like to hire yourself a K-Tec 1237, please come and see us or give us a call at Dom Distribution today.